Hey guys, I wanted to share a great little economical and good trick with you today. I ain't going to be out here long. I'm freezing my butt off, but I got my motorcycle covered, and you see I got a power cord going to it. Now everybody tends to put a tender. This is a battery tender, and I got it from Harbor Freight. Now, the thing that you don't know is that these, even though they say the light will be red, it says it's off, it's still leaking voltage to the battery, and that damages the battery over time. A proper charger will turn off completely and cycle, and giving them jolts of electricity to the battery actually helps it out, knocks out sulfation and stuff like that. So how do you do that? Well, this is a cheap little timer, and I got the power going to it, and then my battery charger going to this. Now this has little tabs. You see how they go out and they go in. The majority of them are in, which means off. And you see every couple hours, you'll see a tab is out. And so that gives a jolt of electricity to the battery charger, which in turn charges the battery. So this battery on this motorcycle is new, so it doesn't need much maintaining. That's why I have so few of them tabs out. Now this Woods is one of the better ones that I've used. I've used the Harbor Freight one, and it went bad pretty quick, and I didn't like that. But this one I hide up in the eave here of this cover, and so it doesn't get wet. Now you see it's completely off right now. That's what I'm wanting. But when it cycles, it'll get to this point right here, which that tab will turn on, I believe for 5 minutes, and that's not much time, but that's enough to maintain this fairly new battery, and that keeps it in top shape. And that's this whole little system. You can pick these up cheap. These are pretty cheap, around $12 or $16 for this Syntec at Harbor Freight. And I forgot what I paid for these, but I got a bag full of them because I caught them on the discount rack once. And this one is working pretty good, really good in fact. I got it on my lawnmower during this winter time to maintain the battery of it. And so I'm going to hide this back up here. I'll probably do that when I quit the video. But this is a low-cost way for you to get a proper battery charger. And it was a tip I should have shown you guys long ago, but I forgot about it. Anyhow, you guys know about it now, and so have a good one. Make this system up for you and make that battery last longer. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next video.